All right. I am very new to cleaning and maintaining my pool, and I was a huge Dumbo and cleaned my DE filter grids and put them all back together without putting in new DE. That was a month ago, and my pool was green when I decided to clean the grids again. I looked up the right way to do it this time. And my pool is still green, but I've shocked it, put in new DE, and brushed it.
Well,
Yeah.
certainly, I think something worth mentioning. I don't know that he or she really described what they did once they took them out the second time, but I think that a rinse off after having run them for a month without DE is probably not enough. That would be time to do some type of an acid soak. Put them in a solution of muriatic acid and water and let them sit for a day or two before you put them back together. And once it's all back together, then absolutely get the DE in there immediately so that it will coat those fingers properly, and then you should be able to clean your water up fairly quick.
Yeah, with a high amount of chlorine.
You definitely have to shock it hard.
And continual running. None of this 8 hours a day, 6 hours a day. No, just
Run
turn
it
it on
24/7
until it's clear.
Mm-hmm.
All right, good luck.